There's an announcer at the Underground in London who's having a lot of fun on the job. Take a listen to how he announces trains coming in.
Welcome to the main event. Train now waiting at the platform line corner is your Lewisham service. Call in a Canary Wharf, Cutty Store, get ready. Undisputed, best train service in the world.
The train's coming in, by the way. Like a total boxing match, would you guys say?
In the ring or the octagon.
Yeah, exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
The number of people who are not reacting to that is my
I know.
favorite part. They're just like, yeah, okay, we get it.
This may not have been his first time doing it. Maybe that's the thing.
Thanks for watching. If you like this, be sure to subscribe here.
And you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.